Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and get the address for your TonKeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now of course, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to open up the application of TonKeeper wallet. And once inside, you will then go ahead and see this screen. In here, you want to go ahead and select wallet at the top of your screen. And in here, you can just go ahead and select the wallet in which you want to get the address from. So for example, I'll go ahead and get the address for wallet 1, which is basically this one. And once inside, you will be able to see your current balance. Now, right below that balance, you can just go ahead and see the address for that specific wallet. You have to go ahead and click on that button right here, and the address will be instantly copied to your clipboard. Now the way to go ahead and see your wallet is to go ahead and paste it anywhere into your text, into your messages, and anywhere basically. And for example, we'll just go ahead and paste it right here, and we'll be able to get our address for this specific wallet. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.